Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, it's the last in the series of my Portuguese-Style designs, and I'm going to be doing the final two today using the blue and the yellow on both of them because I want them all to go together and I think they'll be really pretty. Before I get started, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. My original plan was to do 6 separate videos, one for each of these. The first 2 I did each with their own video, but then I did those 2, and now I'm doing these 2 because I have plans for these designs. So in this one I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I think I will work from the center out and I just keep adding the color as it seems fit. So there we have it. The whole series is finished. Be sure to go to my website at summerbaystudio.com to download the free patterns that you can either just color or you can trace and paint. This is a great exercise in working with detail, for fine detail. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll have a look at these videos as well, and I'll see you next time.